Welcome to Crypto Gems. My name is Tej, and in today's video we are going to take a closer look at the Binance Launchpool. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below, so feel free to check them out. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. So please do your own research. So what is Binance Launchpool? So Binance Launchpool is usually when users stake their crypto assets in the DeFi projects, such as to provide liquidity to a liquidity pool, and they will get rewards, and this is what is also known as yield farming. Binance introduced Launchpool, which is a new product to kind of allow its users to farm new assets, and users will be able to acquire new tokens and rewards in return for staking BNB, BUSD, and other tokens. So how to participate in this project? First thing, you need to log into your account, and then you need to go to the official website, which is binance.com, and click on this navigation menu over here. And when you go over here, just go to Launchpad, and over here go to the Launchpool section and just click view more. Right, so this is the Launchpool, which is a secure way to kind of farm new assets, and we have all the tokens right over here. So for example, let's say we want to try to stake BUSD, so we're just going to click here. And when you do that, first thing you're going to see is the name. So this is Mobox. Mobox is a gaming platform which combines automated, optimized DeFi yield farming and gaming NFT to create GameFi. The end time is mentioned right over here. And these are the total BUSD pool rewards that you're going to get. You can also check the annual percentage yield over here, which is 3.66%. And you can see that the farming period is 30 days. And the total pool rewards are mentioned over here. And then you can actually launch a project on Binance right now. So Binance Launchpad and Launchpool are platforms that kind of help and advise the project teams on how to best issue and launch their token. They provide a full service offering, starting from advisory service from before the token is even issued to post listing and marketing support. The goal is to allow project team to focus on their project marketing, exposure, and initial user base. And we look for strong teams with a unique and innovative vision in the crypto space. And you can actually click over here to apply to get listed in one of their projects. So let's try Flamingo BNB as an example. So over here, Flamingo BNB means to stake BNB to farm the new token Flamingo FLM. So click stake now, and you can see the project reward information, the estimated annual percentage yield that is shown on the screen. And there's also a project end time that is shown at the top of the page. And my fund shows your staked assets, and the available shows your available balance on your spot wallet. And you can also buy the crypto assets required for staking by clicking here. And by BNB, by clicking stake, users can stake BNB to farm FLM, and users may redeem the assets at any time by clicking redeem. So users can click claim rewards to claim your earned tokens to your spot wallet at any time. Users can view their claimed rewards or distribution history by clicking claim history, and that's basically it and how you can go about it. One thing that I do want to mention is the Ledger wallet, that I believe everybody who has been trading cryptocurrencies for quite some time should have it, because it kind of helps you ensure that all your cryptocurrencies stay safe. So I'm just gonna allow it to load over here. So if you want to get it, the links are in the description box below, so definitely check that out. Again, all the links will be mentioned in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I shall see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.